Hi everyone! So today I want to show you how I make my fruit tart. Basically it's a pie with pastry cream in it and colorful fresh fruits of your choice. I top mine with apricot jam and it is really a beautiful and colorful dessert, perfect to make in the summer. So let's start! So in a food processor, you will need to blend the flour, powdered sugar and the very cold butter until the mixture become crumbly. And then you will add the ice water and mix until a dough balls form. And then you will knead the dough by hand and roll it out on a parchment paper or directly on your counter as you wish, and you will place it in a 9-inch round tart pan with a removable bottom. And here you can see I'm just patching things up. Right before you put it in the oven, you will need to place parchment paper over the crust and fill with pie weights or pasta. Next, I will bring the milk to a boil in a small saucepan, and then I will remove from the heat. Also, after that, in a small bowl, I will whisk the egg yolks with the sugar until light and creamy. And then I will add flour and very slowly add the hot milk while whisking. And you really need to add the hot milk slowly to avoid cooking the eggs, so just a small bit at a time. And then I will return the mixture to the saucepan and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Here I just had some vanilla, and I will just let that boil for at least 2 minutes. And you see here the consistency is perfect. After this, I will strain the filling through a sieve to ensure there are no lumps. After, I will transfer to a bowl covered with plastic wrap and let cool in the refrigerator. And then I will heat the apricot jam in a small saucepan just to liquefy it. And I will strain the jam through a sieve to remove larger chunks. And for the assembly of the pie, I will pour the cold cream into the cold crust, and I will just cut fresh fruits of my choice and just decorate the tart with the fresh fruits. And right after this, I will, using a silicone brush, glaze the top of the fruit tart with the apricot jam. And that's it. I hope you give it a try. Also, if you want the recipe, it's on my blog. I will leave the link in the description box. And have a nice day. Thank you for watching.